All right. So the topic was what's the matter, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So this is a
Yep.
good topic since you had a cold last
Mm-hmm.
weekend. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So let's read the key expressions. Okay. So let's
Okay.
read this. Number one.
What's the matter?
Yes.
What's the problem? And
Next.
I'm not feeling well today. I feel so sleepy at work.
Okay. So you don't feel sleepy at work today, even though you had a
Uh,
cold.
um, almost day. I feel so sleepy at work. So
Almost every day.
yeah, so I took a nap during the lunchtime.
Okay, so good that you can sleep at work. How
Mhm.
many minutes can you take a nap?
It's quite a short, like 10 minutes or
Hmm.
15 minutes. That's it.
Hmm. So you can take a nap for 15 minutes, right? 10
Yes,
to 15
right.
minutes. Okay.
Yeah, 10 to 15.
Okay. So let's do the dialogue. Okay, so let's read, or you should read the dialogue. And this is okay, let's read.
Okay. I'm not feeling well today. I feel so lazy getting up from my bed this morning. And now I feel so sleepy at work. My head my head aches and my office matter
Mates.
mates my office mates are all asking me what's the matter, and they can see from my eyes that I haven't had enough sleep. I told them that I have insomnia, so my boss advised me to see a doctor and sleep for the rest of the day.
Okay,
Mhm.
so let's go to this. Let's talk. Okay, so have you ever experienced insomnia? Have you ever experienced
Um,
before? Insomnia. Have you ever experienced
um,
before?
no,
No, right?
I don't think. Yeah, I don't think for these days.
Okay. Good for you, right?
Good for
Okay.
me. Yeah.
Maybe there's no reason. Okay, so next, what can we do to prevent ourselves from getting sick? What do you think?
Mm,
It's number
sorry,
two.
what can I do to prevent uh, getting sick? Mm, uh, if you want to stay healthy,
Mm-hmm.
you need to work out every day
Mm-hmm.
and take some supplements for
Mm-hmm.
your body, like me.
Yes. Okay.
But
Of
I
course.
think I think one thing I did was that uh, I always use turn on the air conditioner all
Mm-hmm.
night. I think that's the
Oh.
reason.
Oh, yeah, maybe. Yeah, that's not good. If you
Mhm.
turn on the air conditioner, I mean,
Yeah.
yeah, just to cool down the place and then
Mhm.
turn it off and then you can sleep. Yeah.
Yeah. But since I have I have my roommate, you know,
Oh. Mm-hmm.
eh, he always wants to use the air conditioner at night, and I
Oh.
don't want for
Oh.
now for because of my cold.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
So we, how can I say, we our
What, do you fight together or do you compensate?
no
What? You compensate with
no
each other.
our
Are you arguing?
yeah, why I argue with each
Okay.
other about it.
Okay. Okay, so you argue with each other.
Yeah.
Okay,